Hello students, I welcome you to Eduno classes. I am Shua Patel to take up your mathematical reasoning classes. Okay, so students, we have already covered the basics of work and time, and now we are going on to solve various types of question under this category. So today we will solve question based on power, hour, days and work. So here in front of you we have a formula. Please have a good look over it. P1 H1 D1 upon P2 H2 D2 is equals to work 1 upon work 2. So what is P, H, D and work? P is for power, H is for hours, how many hours were taken, and D is for days, and W is for work. So we do not need to go to the derivation of this formula because it will not be asked in your exams. If 72 men can build a wall of 280 meter length in 21 days, how many men could build a similar wall of 100 meter length in 18 days? Right? So in this question we have 72 men building 280 meter of wall in 21 days. Right? Again, in this question, the second part, how many men could build the similar kind of wall of 100 meter length in 18 days? Right? Can we use this formula? Yes, we can use this formula. This is the value of x. Now, we have 72 men, that is power of 72 men, and then we don't know hours per day. Suppose it is x, and then we have 21 days. In the next question, write it y, because x is, we have assumed x meant in the second condition. So y hours, why I am writing while I'll explain it to you. We have to build, the work is of building 280 meter of wall in the first condition and 100 meter of wall in the second condition. Here there is no data given about how many hours per day one has to work. So we will assume that in both the cases hours per day of work of labors is same. That is why I have considered y, and this will get cancelled. Right? And then this will get cancelled by 4. So 4 into 21 into 100 upon 280 is equals to x. This is the work of building 280 meter of wall. This is the work. And then the next condition, 100 meter, is the work. Solve these this equation and you will get 7, 3. Right? So x is equals to 30. That is 30 men are required to build 100 meters of a wall in 18 days, assuming that hours per day of work is same in both the conditions. Right? Next question. The next question is 15 men can type 3240 pages in 6 days, working 2 hours per day. How many men would be required to type 5400 pages, 5400 pages, working 4 hours per day for 3 days? So students, we have this question in front of us where it says 15 men, I'll write it here, 15 men are writing 3240 of pages in 6 days, working for 2 hours per day, right? And then how many men would be required, that is X, we don't know, to type the work of 5400 pages in 3 days, working for 4 hours per day. Replace the values in this equation to find X. So 15 into 2 into 6 is equals to 3240 upon X into 3 into 4 upon 5400. Right? Now solve it to find the value of X. Right? This will be cancelled by 6. 6 into 90 is 5400, and then 5 and 4, right? And then again it will be cancelled by 45 and 27. 5 and 9, 5. X is 25. So we need 25 men to write 5400 pages in 3 days, working for 4 hours per day. So student, this formula will be very helpful in solving your competitive exams questions, because only you have to do is substitution and then find the value. Thank you students for watching our videos.